Good morning. So, this week we're still taking a bit of the break from the 40s. I just want something a little easier, a little not strictly in one decade. So, I'm going to be making like a cottagecore-y inspired dress. I'm not entirely sure how it's going to turn out because I'm not working from a pattern and I'm kind of messing around with a different pattern to see how things turn out and look and stuff. Yeah. The plan is find a pattern with a skirt I like and then kind of, mess around until I make a bodice that I'm okay with. I think I want something with like pleats in the front that I can easily like fit over my head without fussing around with any closures of any sort. The dress itself will more than likely have a side zipper, but I just find those are easier to work with than, so many buttons and like elastics and things. So yeah, let's get to that. Yeah, I'm not happy with these sleeves, so I think I'm going to unpick them and find a better sleeve. Because with this fabric, it's just kind of sticking out weird, I think. I don't like it. I'm not happy with that. But that's okay. That's a fairly easy fix and one that I can do in not too long. Maybe a day, maybe a couple. Everything else is looking fine. I just have to figure out how I want to pleat the front, so I just kind of have it pinned like that for a moment. So, yeah. Time to find a better sleeve and hope I have enough fabric. Hey, I'm back. So, yeah. I forgot what I was doing, but that's okay. I did remember something that I was doing, switching out the sleeves because I didn't like how they looked. So I've switched them to this, which I think will look nicer sitting where the dress is going to fit on me and how the shoulders are going to not sit directly on top of my shoulder or even slightly above, like a good puff sleeve. For a puff sleeve, you kind of want it to sit right about there. But since this dress has a very long seam, sort of like this one, I think it comes to about here. I think these sleeves will look really nice because they're flouncy, but they'll lay better than a puff sleeve would on that spot on my shoulder. Did that make sense? I don't know. But I did that, and apparently I decided to take in the back a little bit. So this is center back, and I just sewed right down. I'll press it so it's flat like that. And then I still have to figure out how I want to pleat up here. But once I've gotten this done, the rest of it's going to be a breeze. It's just attaching a skirt. I might shorten the skirt a bit so I can get a bit more fun with it, Yeah. So that's what I've done. That's what I'm doing. And I just gotta keep doing it,
Hey there. So, a little update on how progress and stuff. I've gotten at least the base of this dress. So my new sleeves are looking lovely. I'm liking how this bit is looking. Skirt's looking nice. It's a little too short for my liking. It comes to about my mid thigh, and I prefer my skirts to come to my knee or lower. So I have a plan for that eyelet fabric ruffle, which will be nice because I think I can add a big old ruffle right at the bottom of the skirt and then make like a bias tape to go right around the collar, and I think that'll look really pretty and tie it together. I think I have enough of this yellow fabric to make like a ribbon, so I can, add a couple loops on the side and tie it. So that'll look nice. Yeah, I don't have too much more to do on this dress. It's just kind of getting it done at this point. Some things are a little harder to try to make than others, and I don't know why I'm struggling so much to just get this dress done. I usually don't have that issue. But, whatever. We're working on it. We're getting it done. I think... Sorry, I just got a crinkly tube for the cats, and Amadeus is in it. Good boy. Oh, you're such a handsome boy. Okay, I'm gonna go try to get this done soon. I'm all done. I have finally finished this dress that took me 4 weeks to make. I did not get any embroidery done on it. I did not make a ribbon or whatever for this dress, but that's okay because I don't have to do that. I call the shots when I make my garments. Yeah. I'm very happy actually that this dress was shorter than what I wanted because I got to use up the eyelet lace, which I think looks really, really nice with this yellow. It's very cottagecore feeling, and I'm into that, Vintage cottagecore, librarian. That's my aesthetic. But other than that, I think things went pretty well with this dress. It did take me a lot longer to get it done than it should have, but whatever. I'm also pretty happy that I changed these sleeves from the puff sleeve to this one. I think these look a little more natural and purposeful than the puff sleeve would have been, especially because the shoulder seam or whatever comes right down here to me. Yeah, I'm happy with this dress. I think it looks cute, it feels cute, it swishes nice. That's all I can ask for. That being said, I think I'm all done here. I'm gonna go and play some more Sims and snuggle my cat. Maybe 2 cats. We'll see how Mozart feels. Alright, if you enjoy watching me sew and try things,
consider subscribing. I upload every other Saturday and try things, you know? It's always an adventure. Maybe leave a comment or a like if you enjoyed watching this. Yeah, see you later.